Hopefully we can get some of the exhaust noise.
I tried to bring my good speaker. I'm just hoping I'm not catching too much wind noise. That's what we always end up with in these roadsters. Look, that fuel gauge even came up for us.
Oftentimes takes those older ones a while to register, and sometimes if you tap them,
Okay, that'll help.
It'll wake them.
This thing does sound amazing. When you were driving away, I was really admiring it. I mean,
You can just get all that and none of this.
all the beauty.
Got the sound on?
Yeah. Oh, that sounded awesome. Good trees right there.
They really weren't bad cars.
Oh, yeah?
They were like a Detroit Volkswagen Rabbit. What's the deal here? I thought
Yeah. Come on, Colorado. What's that?
Time to go back. Party's over.
All right, that's all we get. Thanks for nothing, Colorado.